Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to configure auto numbering for different entities in Dynamic 365 CE, like contact, cases, code, etc. So for these entity, you can configure auto numbering. Now I told you how to configure auto numbering for these entity. So first go to the Make.Power Apps. Now you will see the settings from here. So click on that and then click on the advanced setting. Now click on the settings drop down and then click on the administration. Now you will see auto numbering is here. Click on that and now we can set up auto number for the 9 entities like contact, cases, code, order, invoice, campaign, article, categories and knowledge article. Now if I am looking for the cases, click on that. So the prefix given over here is CS and thus the prefix we can change also. And the suffix length, click on the drop down as you select 4, 5 and 6 from here. And this is the preview you can see. So now go back to the Sales Hub application first and go to the case entities. So click on that. So now you will see case record from here and that is the case number of case record. Here you will see this is the prefix and this is the number and this is the suffix length. So go back to the set auto numbering. So here you can change the prefix from here. Like I am changing the CDS. And now in suffix length I will choose 4 character. Now pop-up will be shown in the screen like that. These changes will apply to all record that use auto numbering. To continue, click OK. So I am clicking on the OK button and then click on the OK button. Like every other record, like when I create a new case, so for these the auto numbering will set to this as per your changes. So go back to the Sales Hub application. So go to the case entity. So click on that. So now click on the plus new case button. So here give the case name test case and then select the customer over here, Adatum Corporation, and then click on the save button. Now I got this case number over here. So to number is CDS 01001J5V0. Like this is the prefix and this is the number. We cannot change anywhere. And this is the suffix of 4 character. So you can change the auto numbering for case record from here or any other entity record from here as per your requirement. So only for these 9 entity auto numbering configure from here. So in this video we will learn how to set auto numbering for the case entity. Thanks for watching guys.